Brand new.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I will be showing you all my 1 year new growth from when I did my big chop a year ago. If you haven't seen my big chop video, I'll put a card for it and there's a link for it in my description box below. But I'm finally taking these twists out from when I did my distressed faux locks. And I know in my last video I said that I was thinking about locking up my hair. I decided not to because I forgot I had some videos to do for some companies. So whatever. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, this right here, this was some hard work. Like this is exactly why I didn't want to do this, and I regret waiting so long to do it because my hair really started to lock up. Like if you can see, I had to rip my hair apart. Like I'm pretty sure like I could use some oil or some conditioner or something to help me, but like I had to talk myself into doing this. I had to build up the strength, the energy to do this. I did not want to do this, okay? So when I talked myself into doing this, I couldn't move from this spot until I was done. If I would have moved, I wouldn't have finished. I'm just being real. So yeah, I know I'm tender-headed. It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad. But I could say like I'm really proud of how much my hair has grown, even though like I haven't been taking care of it like I said I would this time. It has grown a lot, and it's gotten way too much. Like I don't know, if you haven't seen my how I ruined my natural hair story time, I'll put a card for it because you need to check that out, and there's a link for it in my description box below. I won't be doing too much talking in this video, but as you can see, in my big chop video, my hair was black. I believe I waited like a few days or a couple of weeks, I'm not sure, to dye my hair. And that's how I was pretty much able to tell how much my hair was growing, because all of the hair that was on my head around the time that I first cut it is this honey blonde color, and all of my new growth is the black hair. So this is my hair taken all loose before I washed it. And my hair was so filthy dirty, y'all. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair off camera and come back while it's still wet to seal the moisture in with my HoneyButterBabe hair butter. And now I'm about to go ahead and blow it out so y'all can really see what this growth is looking like. I'm done with the talking. Y'all enjoy the video. Thank you so much to everyone that's supporting my channel. I pray that you all are well and staying safe out here in these streets. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And go ahead and drop a comment. Leave me some love. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. I love you so much. Mwah.
Me I beg you, oh, me guide them, Father. Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me, Jehovah. Father, protect your soul. Can't stop me, cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me, cause me heart too clean. Because me heart too clean.